If you need help on any of these five things that I will be talking about, do not search for them online if you don't want to be scammed. So for those of you who do not want to be scammed online, you should watch your back. You know, a lot of people are calling themselves Babalawo now. What you are eager to get that will make someone online to scam you in the name of calling himself a Babalawo or Onishegun. But for those of you who always like to search online for a Babalawo or social media or Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or any other social media platform that you can think of where you search for someone to solve a specific problem for you. If you need help on any of these five things that I will be talking about, do not search for them online if you don't want to be scammed. Number one on the list is money related miracles. Many people in Yoruba land call it money ritual or anything you want to do that will make you have money, that will make you get quick money. So this is number one on the list. If you don't want to be scammed, or those of you who love to search online on different social media platforms to discuss your spiritual problem to people you don't know online, claiming that they are Babalawo. So because the person has a social media platform where you can communicate with such a person, so you discuss your financial problems with that person, claiming to be a Babalawo or Onishegun or whatsoever, and the person promises you to help you in your financial situation. So this is one of the ways to scam you online because there is no quick money anywhere. Whoever is telling you that you are going to make money if he does something for you, then that person is trying to scam you. You should watch your back on that. So if you are looking for money, if you know that you want to be rich, you need to work hard, you need to understand yourself, right? So you must try as much as possible to learn how to make money. There is no spiritual thing that can be done for you to make quick money. When I say quick money means that within a short period of time you make a lot of money, maybe within a month, or someone says that if he does something for you within the stipulated time, you are going to make a lot of money. And this person says you should pay some money so that you can make that money. So this is a red flag. You are going to be scammed because there is no quick access to money anywhere, right? So if you are looking for quick access to money, then you can easily be scammed online. So do not look for quick access to money online. Rather, you can seek for prayers, ebo etutu, for prayers. So prayer is different. Then number two is love spell. This is very common, most especially among ladies. A situation whereby you have someone you want to marry or someone is in love with you and later on is no longer in love with you. Now you are not looking for a babalawo or onishegun or any spiritual person to do something for you so that you can attract the love back. Let me tell you, if you are looking for such online, you can easily be scammed. If you are looking for such online in quotes here, but for those of you who have access to Babalawo in your neighborhood or wherever you know the Babalawo that you can see, then such a Babalawo or such a spiritual person can do something for you, maybe free of charge, or can give you something to test. If it works for you, then you come back to appreciate the person. But coming online, coming on different social media platforms to look for a spiritual person to do love spell for you or giving you promises of bringing your husband back or bringing your boyfriend back or someone you are in love with, bringing such a person back, you will be at risk of spending a lot of money and you are not going to get any results. So there are cases that have been reported to me, and that's why this point is number two. So you keep on spending money with the hope that your love will come back. So if you don't want to be scammed, do not look for a spiritual person to do love spell for you online. So I think that is very understood. If you don't want to be scammed, because you are going to be spending money and your love will not come back. So it's gonna be hoping that it will come back, then you keep on spending money, and this person that is trying to scam you will keep on giving you fake promises, then you keep on spending a lot of money. Before you know it, you have spent millions and nothing will happen. So that's number two on the list. Then number three, health guarantees. Like what I mean by health guarantees is that situation whereby someone is very sick or you are very sick, you now need a quick recovery. Then you started looking for online spiritual person to help you out, because what I'm talking about now is online, because a lot of scammers are online. They are looking for victims. So if you are facing a certain health challenge, it is not 100% advisable for you to start searching online for someone you do not know to discuss the health issue with the person in order for the person to find solution for you. So if you are doing that, you are putting yourself at risk of being scammed online. So don't get me wrong. If you are sick, I am not saying that you cannot get spiritual solution to the problem, to your sickness, but most times when you are looking for solutions online, you have to be very, very careful. Any health related challenge that you may be having, it is very, very important for you to first of all seek medical attention. Medical attention. Even the spiritual people you are going to, they as well seek medical attention. So you should first of all trust that medical attention. Then if you have tried all your possible best and the medical attention is not working, then what our Babalawo will do is to do but for you, like what is making the medical attention not working well can maybe spiritual problem actually, but it is not that something will be given spiritually that okay, just take this, ignore the medical attention, you are going to be fine. No, you have to continue with the medical attention. So the help that will be done for you is just going to help you out, is going to enhance whatever medical attention you are getting anywhere. And whatever is not making the medical attention to work for you, the help will take care of it. So if you are thinking that meeting a Babalawo or meeting an Onishegun or any spiritual person online with the promise that, oh, do not go to the hospital again, stop whatever you are taking in the hospital, let me give you this, pay a certain amount of money, especially when you are paying an exorbitant amount of money with the promise that the sickness will go. So you have to be very careful so that you do not add to your problem, right? So that is number three on the list. You have to watch your back on that. Then number four on the list is unrealistic promises. Many of you are searching for spiritual people online, and you are making yourself so vulnerable in the hands of these spiritual people. I am using the word Babalawo because this is what many of you know. This is what many of you call all the spiritual people you see online. You say Babalawo, Babalawo. So for the purpose of understanding, I am using the word Babalawo for you. So if you are looking for someone who will be giving you fake promises, then the promises will now turn out to spending money, waiting for the promises to be accomplished, then you are going to be scammed. You are going to be scammed, right? Because these are what the scammers are using online to scam people. These are what they are using. They know what you want. They know what you are eager to get. So they use that to scam you. The we Babalawo will never give you fake promises. Babalawo will only tell you that sacrifice will be done. Sacrifice will be done for you. By the grace of Olodumare and the Orishas, your sacrifice will be accepted. So the word unrealistic promises is very important here. So watch your back. Any promise whatsoever that a spiritual person is giving you, that is keep on telling you so that you can pay the money, you should watch your back. Another point, which is number 5 on the list, is promise to have access to talk to a spirit. You may meet someone online and the person will tell you that I'm going to do something for you, then you can be talking to a spirit, one on one, and you are so eager to be talking to a spirit, you really want to be having a conversation with a spirit, then you now believe what the person has told you, then you now start spending a lot of money so that you have access to talk to a spirit. You have to watch your back. This is how to scam you. They are going to scam you. So do not get me wrong. I am not saying that the real Babalawo cannot help you spiritually. But I'm talking about for those of you who are searching online for solution to your problems, you have to watch your back. And let me tell you, spirituality is even within you yourself. Your spirituality is in you. You can unlock it. When you unlock your spiritual power, you don't even have to go to anybody to get whatever you want for yourself, right? So if you unlock your own spiritual energy, there are so many things you can achieve without even spending anything. But the major way of having solutions to problems as far as Yoruba spirituality is concerned is through ebo, ebo, you sacrifice. And sacrifice is not something that you have to be waiting for some promises to happen. You know that this is a prayer. This is a prayer. You are preparing ebo, so that the Orisha can accept your prayer. So it is not about someone promising you that I'm going to do this for you, or the person is talking to you as if it's God, or the person is talking to you as if it's even the Orisha that will answer the prayer. So that is how it is. So the real Babalawo will not even give you promises. They will not give you promises. They will only do Ifa consultation for you. Then from the Ifa consultation, whatever comes out, it is Ebo that will be done. When the Ebo is done, even you yourself will not know when things will start manifesting in your life. So it's a divine intervention. Do not wait for any promises from anybody before you can understand solutions to your problems. It's not about promise, it is about you hoping, praying within yourself for your elbow to be accepted. Right? So this is what I have for you. Thank you very much for watching. This is Get a Better Life TV. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see you again, get a better life and bye for now.